But girl, I know you think about it almost every day. And I'll be honest, I'll be jealous of these niggas stroke. How you feeling with these niggas that you talk to? Captivated by your mind that you walk to. Can't replace you with these bitches that I talk to. This ain't lust, this love we had. Trust was good, I should've held you close. Should've kept you warm. And when the rain is falling, wonder who you call. Don't pray to God, you rather try your call. Don't jump, pretend it don't hurt.
Devin Miller of Rip Point Media. Me and my friend Ty about to go to a car meet, have some fun. A ring a ding a dong.
Get it fast, lit, just can't understand it. It's nothing flashy, it's like 100 bands. They want it nasty. I got a full tank. Exotic cool. I just put the brains on the big rig. I could walk a damn mile. In my space, I just buy a second house. Nothing shit. Damn right. Go to keep your counts on fire. When they gonna get a night, I turn it in your mind and find a way out. I just stay the night. They wanna come out now.
Alright, that's good.
I wouldn't want to miss it. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good?
Damn, bro.
It's like, now look at the switch.
What it got? Way bigger than mine.
Got the wheels, bro. I need the wheels.
Oh, so far. Oh, this is the. You go through my leg.
Roll back, roll back, roll back.
It's like, now look at the slick. Is it F5? It looked like it sits when you tell it. Because the S would be so good. Supercharger on it?
Don't.
I'm about to get 8 buses between.
That's the best of it.
Like slap-on lenses that you can get for iPhones. Yeah. But I just don't know how good they are. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I was there.
Won't let a bitch know I know she cheating, nigga, I play my part. Won't let a bitch know whenever I'm leaving, bitch, I'm playing smart. And she gon' hide when she be cheating, but I'm a already got one of the pictures. So now I'm like, bye.
Oh, I got it. You're good.
MTA announced 50,000 Metro cards will have Bronx native Ice Spice on it. You can get the Metro cards in the Bronx and in Manhattan starting at midnight.
And I got one of them. I'm a certified fucking munch. This is the closest thing.
fucking fluorescent lighting. I need to see absolutely everything.